This is Code.org. Let's see what we have. Here's a high resolution canvas to draw on 1616 pixels. See what happens when you start to get creative with the bits. Okay, so it's 16 long. So repeat 16 times. Okay, and then it's 16 by 16. So that means 16 long and 16 rows. So I actually am going to do this. Since there's 16 rows, I want to repeat it 16 times. And since there's 16 blocks in each row, I'm going to use this. But then they'd all have to be the same. Okay, what if we did 4 and 4 and 4 and 4? Okay, I'll do that. You know what? I'll actually just do 4, 4, and then in the middle. Perfect. So I'll leave this to be 8 things. I have no idea. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And then this, I only want one thing in here. We'll have that one be all 0, and this one be all 1. So what should happen is it will skip the first 4 of every row. So all the way to here, all the way down, because it's going to run this whole thing 16 times. So each row, it will skip the first 4, and then what? Well, then I'll draw this out. So I'll skip again, hit, draw, scratch, skip, scratch, skip, scratch. Finally, the last 4 will always be scratched white. So 4 black, the last 4 will always be white, and this will always be 0, 1. So black, right, whoop, to the bottom, all the way down. Pretty cool. You can make all sorts of images with this. I've had students make smileys. They made a US flag once. It's yours to have fun with. I'm going to go with a classic striped and tower look. Bum-ba-da-dum. Onward.